Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Social Security taxation with SSA statements, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your Social Security Administration statements. Visit the official Social Security Administration website at www.ssa.gov. Log into your My Social Security account. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Verify your identity by following the prompts and providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, navigate to your earnings record. Review the earnings listed for each year you've worked. Check for any inaccuracies or discrepancies in your reported earnings. To verify Social Security taxation, look for your tax contributions on your statement. Locate the section labeled Your Earnings and Your Taxes. Note the amounts listed for Social Security and Medicare taxes paid. Compare these amounts to your personal tax records, including your W-2 forms and tax returns. If you find discrepancies, gather supporting documents to validate your claims. Contact the Social Security Administration for assistance in resolving issues. You can reach them via phone or by visiting your local SSA office. Be prepared to provide your Social Security number and other identification when contacting them. Follow their instructions carefully for correcting any errors. Keep copies of all correspondence and documentation related to your verification process. Regularly monitor your statement for accuracy after resolving any issues. Stay informed about changes in Social Security taxation to ensure ongoing compliance. Understanding your Social Security statement is crucial for planning your financial future. Taking these steps will help you confirm your Social Security taxation accurately. This verification process is essential for maintaining your financial records. By staying proactive, you ensure that your contributions are correctly accounted for. Always prioritize your financial well-being by periodically reviewing your statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.